Christos Anesti.
Χριστός Ανέστη.
Christ is risen.
Cra-
Christ is risen. Right? Okay. Greek Easter, you must have tzatziki to accompany all the nice meats and the lamb and everything. So what you need is quite a lot of Greek yogurt. The best thing you can have, Greek yogurt. Cucumber, Chinese, never mind. Wonderful garlic. Olive oil, Sparta.
Extra virgin olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil. Pepper. Salt. We've started by putting the big tzatziki in the bowl, right? So, next thing is we take the grater and we take the yogurt, the cucumber, you take the grater. We've done some preparation already because a good chef needs to do some preparation. We grate a little bit just for the video. We've done most of the work already. Keep grading, keep grading, keep grading. You learn this, right? You can do it to impress the girls. You know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, grader. Okay, very good. So what you do is you then take the yogurt and you add all this nice grated cucumber. Then the cooking part starts. Because you need to bring it all together and to make it melt nicely together. Olive oil. Plenty of it. I know we're in Hong Kong, olive oil is expensive. This is €5 worth of olive oil probably, right? But you need it, otherwise it's not gonna be good. So let the yogurt and the cucumber get together, and then you need the most important bit. And the most important bit is garlic. How much garlic?
3-4 at least.
How much garlic?
Per half a kilo of yogurt.
Wrong answer. As much as you can actually get.
Exactly. More the better.
The more the better. Okay. Be careful with your fingers and the knife here. Again, we've chopped the garlic quite in small pieces. And like by magic, garlic. Apply as much garlic as you can possibly do. Now, the trick on my tzatziki, the Buhalis chef tzatziki, is to have big pieces of garlic. Because a lot of people, they kind of make the garlic so small that you don't feel it.
Like the pavlito tzatziki.
Exactly. Is it the
Yes, and in the pavlito tzatziki I also put a couple of spoons of white vinegar.
Yeah, that's a variation.
Yes.
Next time we try this.
I have white vinegar.
No,
Yes.
we don't put vinegar here. No. But so let's put pepper.
Wow.
Plenty of pepper.
Nice.
And I quite like pepper to be fresh pepper and freshly grinded, and plenty of it too.
Yes.
Now,
And that's a very nice pepper, a freshly
Freshly
green
grounded.
grounded.
ground.
And not very small. I like it to be a little bit. And then you put salt. I don't like a lot of salt. Sea salt. Keep grating and mixing it. You're having fun, right? This goes with this. You'll die when you have the two things together. Who would like to try?
All of
Zervina?
us. Wow.
Joanna?
Thank
Okay.
you, Zervina.
Shall we?
See?
Mmm.
The Buhalis tzatziki, the famous Buhalis tzatziki.
It's quite good. I have to admit.
Is it only quite good or is it? Excellent.
You know what?
Happy Easter.
It makes a big difference, the garlic.
Yeah.
Of course it
It
does.
has a unique character and it's delicious. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.